We lost our mom in 2021, and Dad couldn't live in his old house out here on the farm, so this place came up for sale, and it attached to the farm, and he decided to buy it over the phone sight unseen. He passed away last year, and my wife and I sold our house and moved out here to the cabin, and that's when we realized he probably should have had a home inspection. It happened extremely quickly. We were watching TV one night and the corner of the house cracked open, like violently cracked open. I'd been under the house before. It was about as nasty as you can imagine a crawl space could get. That immediately got the calls happening, and I called y'all. When Jonathan came out, it was very much sales pitch, and I was like, this isn't a sales pitch, just get us quick. I knew what to expect. This is my third time using y'all, so I knew exactly what to expect. My dad, who lived in this cabin, was really cool, and he gave me a mantra when I was about 5. And he said real quietly, he said, "You are what others perceive you to be." And it took me 50 years to figure out what that meant. It doesn't matter what we think we are. Like, I'm a software engineer. I may think I'm a great software engineer, but it doesn't matter what I think. It matters about what other people think about my work. So it doesn't matter if we think we're great at doing something. It's about what people really think about the way they were treated from a service provider. And y'all crushed it. Living out in the middle of nowhere, nested up against the glorious foothills out here, everybody is in this community is extremely close, very tight, very protective of one another. So whenever we need somebody, our neighbors know a guy. You need fence work done? Yeah, I know a guy. You need yard work done? Yeah, I know a guy. Master Services is my guy for everything structural or basement-y. If your home is in need of repair, don't make other calls. It's literally not worth it, because what you see is what you get. And I've never experienced anything like it. I hope I never have to again, but the quality is definitely worth the money that you spend on an investment.